Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing a squishy package. And so I already took one thing out and opened it because it was taking a little while to do. But that first thing was this jumbo strawberry from, I got this off Amazon, but it's from, the brand is Puni Maru. And it has this little monkey right there. And I got the pearl design. Let's take a squish. It kind of smells like a really sweet strawberry. Kind of like a strawberry smoothie, but sweeter. This is actually really squishy. I love this. It's still rising. Okay, anyway, and show you the tag. This is the tag, and it's basically, it's bigger than the strawberry itself. And it's also like basically the size of my hand. Okay, the next thing I pull out, I have this little squishy donut. And I thought I ordered the blue one. Oh gosh. Is there like a way to open this? Okay. No, there isn't. I thought I ordered like the teal icing one and like vanilla type of donut, but I guess I didn't. And I also thought that I ordered the actual normal size one, but I guess I got the miniature one. Which, I mean, it's okay. It's still really squishy. And it's from Only Sweet Cafe. Here's the back of it. It has a little winky face pink cupcake with a chef hat. Here's the front. And it says, "Do not eat." And it is iBalloon. So, let me just take this out. Sorry about the background noises. My sister is just getting crazy. It is really soft. So it's chocolate donut with like yellow like icing on it. And the yellow in this picture is much brighter. It's just you can't see it in the camera. And the sprinkles are blue and pink. So it's actually really pretty. It's actually pretty squishy. It's like, oh my gosh. It's sticking together in the middle. Oh my gosh, it actually smells like, I don't even know, it smells really good though. And on the back it has the little winky face cup. Oh, this one's not winky, but the cupcake, and it says OCS, Only Sweet. Oh wait, no. I don't know actually. Only Sweet Cafe. I was about to say bakery. But that's really sweet. I'm gonna go close my blinds and see if that helps. We'll see about that. It helps a little. Let's go. Move you back. Okay. It is super squishy. It's not like the other one. Like the actual one. It's like Okay. Next thing is this box. And I was on vacation for like a week and a half, so I can't remember exactly all what I got. But it's fun to have surprises sometimes. I'll try a different way to open it. Oh, turns out that way as much. Oh, it's the little mochi stuff. I got the chocolate one. And so there's like little chocolates right there. It comes with this really cute packaging. Take this off. And I've heard that the powdered sugar on it, my friend has this, that the powdered sugar comes off like really easily, like by the touch of a hand. But Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Let's give it a squish. I'm gonna take it out of packaging actually. And it has a silver ball chain on it. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Like if you get this, it feels so weird when you get it. To like the powdered sugar on me. But this one, it's awesome. Let's put that right down. Next thing I got is this. I actually do not know what this is. I think there's like something yellow and pink in there, but no. It's like a little, oh, it's a little baggie. It's a cat. Okay. Oh, this is a Rilakkuma. Yeah, Rilakkuma ice cream, not the Rilakkuma. And they give me an extra of this little tape. It's really cute. And they gave me their, no, actually, I don't know what this is. It's a thank you card. Oh, it's backwards for y'all. And then I don't even know what this is. It says Mode 5. Sandra Botch. I don't know. Anyway, the tag is really cute. That says Rilakkuma, but you can't see that. And there's a pink ball chain, which I love. And I don't think I'm going to take it out of packaging because it's a little hard. It's actually pretty squishy. It's not slow rising much, but it's pretty squishy. And on the back, it is licensed by San X. Like a little more dense than I thought it would be, but that's okay. And next, which is the one I'm really excited about, I got this. So it's like I got a grab bag of 20 things. So let's just, the bag is really big. Really big. First thing I pull out is this Hello Kitty donut. And none of these, I don't think any of them have ball chains. It's really, really soft. And on the back, it's licensed by Sanrio, and it was made in Tokyo, Japan. It's really squishy. Okay. Put that like that. Next thing I'll pull out is this, I don't know, emoji toast or face toast, and it's blue. I'm going to take it out of packaging so y'all can see it better. Oh gosh, this is like sticking to the bread. It's not good. Okay, there we go. So I'll squish it like this for you. It smells pretty good. And he's like looking off into the distance and stuff. I don't really know. And it's kind of sticky, but I like sticky. The next thing I get is this bitten out of a popsicle. And this, it's blue and it has sprinkles on it. It's actually pretty squishy. But I feel like this, the little popsicle stick, is gonna fall off like really soon. If I like squish it with my whole hand, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah?